How to use audio features. One of the features that sets Bible in Hebrew apart from other Bible study resources is how it plays Hebrew audio. You can listen from a single verse to an entire chapter or even a whole book. Or you can go slowly, syllable by syllable, to pick up how Hebrew is read. Let's take a deeper look with Annette and learn how to use this feature.
On the right of every verse, you'll see a few buttons that control audio playback. The bigger green button plays native Hebrew narration, and you can listen to the verse in its entirety,
בראשית ברא אלוהים,
halt it in the middle by clicking pause, or reset the audio with the red stop button. You can hear each word sounded out,
ha-sha-ma-yim,
or hover over the Hebrew with your mouse.
ve-et ha-a-retz.
You can customize your audio settings by opening the audio menu. The first switch turns Hebrew narration on and off, which is useful if you want to practice reading Hebrew by yourself without the audio. Switching it off will hide many of the features, and switching it on brings them back. Same goes for syllable audio. You can turn on the ability to play one verse or a series of verses at a time, as well as looping one or more verses on repeat. You can control the audio playback speed by dragging left for slow and right for fast. The highlight audio switch controls whether or not the syllables turn a different color when you play the Hebrew narration.
בראשית ברא אלוהים,
Having it on can help you follow along as the verse is read aloud, and having it off will test your Hebrew reading skills.
בראשית ברא אלוהים,
The last setting is the male or female voice option, which alters the syllable sounds and not the narration. Once you're done choosing your audio settings, click Save Audio. To quickly open up the audio features and change something else, find the blue audio icon above or to the left of the title area, depending on your device.
As you can see, Bible in Hebrew makes it effortless and fun to listen to the original language of the Bible and learn to read it at your own pace. To try it out for yourself, click the link in the description to get your free trial. Please leave a comment saying which audio features you would use the most, or ideas for what to talk about in future videos. Thank you for watching, and Shalom.